Greetings and assalamu alaikum everyone. Hope you are doing great. Welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to teach you that how you can host your own static website in Apache web server. Okay, so for demo purpose, here is the static website content like HTML file, JavaScript, images, and CSS. Let me just show you the live demo so that it will be better. You can see that this is the basically a portfolio website that is my own portfolio website where I can showcase my skill set and other things. So basically I will be deploying this website on Apache web server as this is running on localhost, so that's why it is showing you like this. So let me just open my AWS account and I will show you the demo. Okay, so right now I have jumped into the AWS console and creating new instance, Apache web server website hosting. Okay, so right now I will be using the Ubuntu as a AMI, and then instance that would be T2 micro and key pair. Let me just create a new key pair for website KP. Okay, so let's just create a new key pair and download it. And in network setting, I will be choosing my own custom VPC, and then outpost and public IP should be enabled. And let's just create a new security group, which will be website SG. Okay, so this will be like for deploying the static website. And let me just add new security group for hosting the website using the port 8080 only. Okay, HTTP port, and as you can see that port range is showing the 80 and source would be from anywhere, and storage would be more than enough like 8 GB, and then launch instance. Okay, so the instance is ready and in running state, and let me just SSH into it I'm using the mobile XM client. Okay, so for accessing the Linux server, let's just go to connect option and then SSH client. I will be using the SSH client, and in this example, you will see the command where you could access the Linux server. Okay, so let me just go to desktop because the key pair exists in the desktop and paste it here. So that I am able to access the Linux Ubuntu EC2 instances. Okay, so as you can see, okay, right now I'm in the Ubuntu Linux server. So the first thing, let me just update the uh, name of the server, host name, and let me just zoom in more a little bit so that it can be easy for you to see that name. Let's just say static website server. Okay, and then save it. So first of all, let me just update the server. When it is updated, then I will install the Apache web server and restart this server, because the name that I have given it will be implemented and effected after restarting this server. Okay, so let me just install the Apache web server. Install Apache 2-y. So it will install the Apache web server, and I will show you that how you can upload your static website content using WinSCP. Okay, so right now I'm restarting the server. Let me just type the command sudo init 6, or you could definitely type sudo reboot. Okay, so that it will reboot your server, and let's just wait for a while. Once I'm able to access the server, then I will show you the Apache web server homepage. Okay, so welcome back. As you can see that the name has been applied successfully after restarting the server. And let me just see if the Apache web service is running or not. So as you can see that it is running, and in the meantime let me just enable this service so that I will show you the uh, okay, okay, pause reload. Okay, so let me just type the IP, and IP is 3.227.20.60. So it will just show you the Apache web server homepage, as you can see. So the thing is that I just want to host my portfolio website. So for that, I will be using the WinSCP. Okay. Or you could use the mobile XTerm directly. So for that, let me just clear the screen, and let me just, okay, for demo purpose, I will be using WinSCP. It's up to you whether to use WinSCP or mobile XAM. It's up to you. But for demo purpose, I will be using the WinSCP. Okay, so for that, the file protocol should be SCP, and the host name would be 3.227.20.60, and username would be Ubuntu. And for password, let me just go to advanced and authentication and private key. Okay, so private key, let me just upload the private key file which exists on the my desktop. Website key pair. Okay, basically it is asking to convert the key into .pem into .ppk key. Okay, so let's just click on OK, and then click on save and OK. Once you click on OK and log in, you will be able to access the server on WinSCP. Okay, so why I'm using this one? The thing is that I just wanted to upload the website content of the my own portfolio based website. So for that, let me just go to the directory which will be var www.html. Okay, so as you can see that it is showing the index.html. So if I can remove it, I can remove it. Okay. The thing is that we don't have permission. So for that, let me just go back to the server, and let me just give my own self the permission of 777 var www html. Okay. So let's just go back right now and then retry. So as you can see that the index HTML file has been removed, and let me just go to my uh, desktop because I have my own website content portfolio, only portfolio master, and then just copy, just drag and drop it here. Okay, and basically it will pop up the notification window, and it will show you the status of the file which is being uploaded. Okay, so once the file has been uploaded, let's just go back to the server and then clear the screen, and let me just restart the Apache web server. Sudo service Apache 2 restart. Okay, and let's just go back to the Apache 2. Let's just see if this thing disappears and show me the website or not. So as you can see that I have successfully deployed my portfolio based website. Okay, so this is about about me, technical skills, and you could see about my resume and my academic qualification and other things. Okay, so I hope that you enjoyed this video, and I will come up with this type of video in future, so stay tuned for that. Okay, thank you so much everyone, and Allah Hafiz.